Welcome back, guys, to Sleepy Dogs. I'm sorry to say, for some reason, there's like no audio at this first half. But anyways, as you can see here, this dude named Conroy, which is he's like my third favorite character on this game. He thinks that we are an outsider, but we are not. We are not an outsider. Blah 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 da 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 da. I could fast forward this if I wanted, but I just realized that I can't really do that right now. Now we get to meet Winston Chu, the I want to say leader of Sun On Yi, which is a triad clan. Yeah, I don't know what else to say. This next one here that we are basically just training with Conroy and with his two other people, teaching us how to counter, which I will show you right now. The dogeyes actually arrive, which we get to see in this cutscene. Winston Chu yells out, "What are they doing?" And they just randomly decide to leave, which I don't know why they want to leave. And I forgot what his name was. I don't know what his name was. So this dude, I don't know his name, but he tries to work things out. But Winston Chu does not trust him at all. And we also get to hear, well, I get to hear, Wei Shen did have a sister, which his sister name was Mimi Chen. Alright, so Winston Chu So me and Jackie had to get everybody to say that the whole market that Winston Chu is the boss around here at the night market, I believe it's called. Yeah, if I remember. As you can see, we are collecting money from the cashiers. I'm gonna put this on 2x speed. Alright, so as you can see here, we collect money from this dude, but he wouldn't accept Winston Chu as a boss, shit, whatever, of this night market. So as you hear, we grabbed this dude just to push him against the phone booth. I did see this. I believe it's called a shrine. Dude, just fucking just bow down. Watch. That's what it sounds like. As you can see here, we made him have a reason to give us the money. And now the audio will be back on shortly. Right in this damn song.
It's still playing?
Work for Winston. We need to discuss business.
Winston? I don't have any business with Winston.
Everyone has business with Winston. You're gonna pay up, you understand?
Go tell Winston to stick a back choy up his ass. Hey, fellas! These troops are moving in on your territory. Kick his ass!
Okay. You're done. Bitch! Yeah, run to the room with fellas. Go in this box. Bitch! They're gonna attitude adjustment! Sorry, Jackie. I'll help you to focus on target. I want you to finish him. No.
So did you have a message for Winston?
He's obviously better than dogeyes. Please give him this payment from me.
I think we're almost done, but let's check over there. You look like you could use a pork bun.
Pork bun!
I'll take some, thanks.
I don't know why, but he's always... You want pork bun? Do you want pork bun?
Hey, look at that guy. He's beating up that old man. That ain't gonna fly on our turf.
Really?
What you want?
Really to both... I'm dumping your ass. Jackie, we're dumping your ass.
You
don't fuck with anyone under our protection.
Ooh, bop, 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 bop. Come on. Whoop, toasty. Whoop, toasty. Bop. Toasty. Wait, come on now. is it? What is it?
點走？冇再打啊！
Really?
夠膽過嚟啊！你老母，你邊辦啊？
Get him, Jackie! No, Jackie, don't worry, I'm not. Yeah, get him! Get him! Oh! Jackie! Yay! Jackie!
Why was he beating you?
He was demanding 20 times the normal payment. Maybe he has a drug habit or something.
For a small fee, Winston will make sure you don't have trouble with gangsters.
That sounds very reasonable.
Oh, wait, no, this is what's her closing story?
Man, we need to get you outfitted. Over here. People need to know you're one of us.
You look like you could use a
pork bun!
These are the latest. Perfect for you. Let me ring that up for you. Let me ring that up for you. Thanks. Come again. Thanks. Shop often.
Get back to Winston.
You want that little loose fisherman?
That was awesome, man. All this teen.
Ooh, that was good.
Hey, Jackie. You want to tell Hey what's going on?
Just keeping an eye on things.
Yeah? What'd you see?
I tell you what I didn't see. Nothing to be impressed about. I'm watching you, new guy. You fuck up.
What? We're gonna throw down? What kind of grade school shit is this, huh? I work my ass off all day, so
He
fuck
may
off.
be cocky,
Grow
but
up.
at the same time, I like this dude.
Jackie, you're coming with me. We got something to take care of. And you, don't fuck with me.
App experience. I forgot about that, honestly.
Can you do me a favor?
Probably, yeah. What is it?
Mrs. Chu sent over some lunch, but I haven't paid yet. Can you take this back to the restaurant?
All right.
You might want to hurry. I heard dog guys are sending reinforcements. We should probably be gone before they get here.
Oh, bad. I can deal with him easy. Yeah, way too easy. I don't know how long I've been recording for. For safety, are you actually gonna fight me? Okay, thank you guys so much for watching this. Like and subscribe only if you want to, and hey, it's with me. Oh, y'all ugly. Okay, I'm out.
Guy around?
Like, subscribe only if you want to. I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.